Ready to transform your N8n automation expertise into a lucrative income stream? This video will unlock the secrets to monetizing your N8n skills, taking you from automation enthusiast to earning professional. Let's dive in. First, offer automation services to businesses. Identify companies struggling with repetitive tasks, reach out, and showcase how N8n can streamline their operations, saving them time and money. Next, create and sell pre-built workflows. Analyze common pain points across different industries. Design N8n workflows to solve those problems and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or directly through your website. Consider building and selling N8n based solutions. Develop custom web applications or integrations using N8n as the back-end engine. Market these solutions to niche markets with specific automation needs. Remember, effective marketing is key. Showcase your N8n expertise through blog posts, tutorials, and social media. Build a portfolio of successful automation projects to attract potential clients. Engage with the N8n community. Share your knowledge, learn from others, and identify emerging monetization opportunities. By leveraging these strategies, you can turn your N8n automation skills into a reliable and rewarding revenue stream. Start automating, start earning.